everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about some Target Peeps. I finally got them. I mentioned in my Build A Bear video a couple weeks ago that I was looking for the Target alternative, which is 12 bucks. And I finally found them. I did go to a bunch of different Targets because they were already sold out and you can't get these online. Walmart does have another version that's a little bit bigger and it's 30 bucks. And I really wish there was a Walmart local to me, but there's not, and I don't drive, nor do I have a car. So yeah, this will have to do. They're each $12. We're gonna compare them to the Build A Bear one that I have right here. So let's get started. They're super soft, super cute. They are still very chunky, but they're not quite as large as the Build A Bear one. But keep in mind that if you get the Build A Bear one in person, you can always kind of let them know how stuffed you want it. Some people like their bears or their stuffed animals really soft and huggable. Some people like them really firm. So this one is super duper firm. It feels like a pillow, which is what I kept saying in that other video. The Build A Bear Peeps also have similar color options. I chose the rainbow one. It has kind of a slight shimmery effect. If you want to see the full video for this one, I will link it up in the cards and down below because I do break it down. It's a little bit more firm. It's very stuffed and it's a little bit less soft. It's a different material, so it's kind of hard to compare. These are a lot softer. The material is softer too because this doesn't have that shimmery effect that the Build A Bear one does. I wish I had gotten the Build A Bear one in a solid color. I wasn't thinking at the time when I ordered it. I was like, oh cool, Peeps. But yes, this is the blue one. But these are really pretty and cute and I really like Peeps. I don't really love the taste. I mean, I'll still eat them because, you know, that's pure sugar right there. But I don't really love them. But like the aesthetic of like the stuffed animals, I feel like it's really cute. Plus, you know, bunnies. My channel is called BunnyJanie. It just makes sense. Here's the yellow one. I know Walmart also has some of these, but they're much bigger and they're $30 each. I really want one, but I don't have a Walmart in New York City. Like there's none close to me. I would have to drive and I don't have my license. I don't have a car. So unfortunately, I'll be missing out on that one because they're not shipping them. These are not shippable. These are just in-store only for Target as well. And it's not even up there for you to see kind of like store locator to see what's available and what's not. I was just going to numerous Targets trying to find them. This is the yellow one. It's a pastel color. Super soft, super cute. It has the same detailing as this one does, except instead of having the Peeps logo here, the Target ones have it in the back instead. Right there. Here's the purple lavender one and then here's the pink one. Again, this is what the tag looks like. It just says Peeps, really soft. It says Peeps in the back as well. They're each $12 and I'm really happy with them. It's hard to say which one I like a little bit more. I like the softness of this one, of the Target ones. But the thing about Build A Bear is that if you're doing it in person, there's a whole cute little ritual involved where you make a wish and you can put a heart in, you can customize it with scents and sounds. So it's a little bit different. If you like a super customizable option, then I would definitely choose Build A Bear. But if you just want a stuffed animal or you want to gift your child with a cute, easy stuffed animal for Easter, then obviously this one's the way to go because it is a little bit cheaper. I would love to hear your thoughts below, whether you love the Build A Bear one more or the Target one. But this is pretty much the entire video. I finally got them. I think those are pretty much my overall thoughts. So let me know which one you prefer down in the comments below, as well as, do you like Peeps? Do you eat Peeps? Are you a fan? Do you think they're gross? Let me know down below. I would love to hear it. And if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, bye. And after going to a couple, do you like the Target one better? I would love to hear.